the entire company, entire Sivas, I would like to thank you guys for doing your best to look very elegant today, to look very handsome today. And I know it's an effort for you guys. We are very looking forward that next year will be better again, better than last year. So we are still looking forward that it will be the familiar faces again. And new faces means growth sa company or improvement or expansion. Once again, thank you guys, and let's enjoy this night because this party, this event is not for us board members, but it is for you guys to enjoy our way to give thanks for all of your efforts, for all of your dedications, and most of all, your loyalty to our company. Advance Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and enjoy the night.
First of all, thank you to each and every one of you who have come here today. This will not be possible without your efforts. Coming from the branches in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Still, we are one of the leading and most awarded review and language centers in the Philippines. Nice young guys and enjoy the night. Have a wonderful night. Guys.